In a mixing bowl, combine cornstarch, powdered sugar, and water. Using a hand mixer on low speed, blend until smooth. Gradually increase to medium speed. Scrape down the sides and bottom of the bowl to ensure no cornstarch sticks. Then mix again briefly to fully incorporate. Add about 1/3 of your cream cheese, approximately 80 to 90 grams, to the mixture. Start blending on low speed, slowly increasing to high. The mixture will become lighter and fluffier. Scrape down the bowl and give it one more quick mix. The texture will be airy and white, but might still feel slightly grainy depending on your cream cheese. That's perfectly fine. Transfer the mixture to a heavy bottom pan over medium heat. Stir continuously. The mixture will first loosen, then begin to form lumps. Keep stirring, paying close attention to the sides of the pan to prevent burning. Within 3–5 minutes, it will come together into a single cohesive lump. Once the mixture has formed a lump, remove it from heat and transfer it back to your bowl, or into a clean one. Cover with cling film or a lid and allow it to cool completely to room temperature. Once cooled, break up the mixture using a hand mixer on low speed. Add the remaining cream cheese and blend until smooth, gradually increasing to high speed. Scrape down the bowl as needed. This will take another 3 to 5 minutes. If the mixture remains slightly grainy, as ours sometimes does, simply press it through a fine mesh sieve to ensure a perfectly smooth finish. This quick extract step ensures your piped elements will have a flawless texture and look. This custard should be pale in color, smooth in texture, and slightly dense for piping, yet still soft and pleasant to bite into.